Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeanette's Beauty World and I am Jeanette. I'm so glad you joined me today for today's video. I like to talk about beauty, do makeup try-ons, and open subscription boxes. Mostly subscription box unboxings with the other stuff sprinkled in there. Today's video is a subscription box. This is a quarterly box from Dermy Box. Okay. So this is their summer box. This just came yesterday, and I'm excited to open it up and see what's inside. And so if that's what you want to see, if you're excited to see what's in my box also, keep on watching. Everybody, so glad you joined me today for this subscription box unboxing. If you're wondering about the makeup on my eyes, my lips and stuff, I did a get ready with me with the Malibu Barbie ColourPop collection. So be watching for that video also. All right. But today we're going to do the Dermy box. Let me open her up so you can see what's inside and what she looks like. Very nice box. Now I do love these little packing things. These are biodegradable and they dissolve in water. So you just put them in your sink and turn on the water and they totally dissolve and go away. So that is so nice. I love these. All right. On top we have a box, Summer 2021. Okay. And they talk about summertime and the living is easy. And it's signed by Dr. Fatima Faz, and she's the one, she's a doctor, a dermatologist who has developed this box. Inside this little pamphlet, it has all the products and the prices, and on the back it talks about their social media. There's a separate card in here, The Science of Skincare with Dermy Doc, and this is Sunscreen 101. So in par for summer. They have a lot of sunscreen products in here. So let's get started. So let's see. So this first thing I'm pulling out is by Cellular MD. These are Universal Protection Drops. Okay. Let's take it out of the box. Holy cow. All right, I'm going to do like just Ann and get my big glasses, except I don't need them because I have contacts in, but $125. Look at this packaging. Talk about bougie packaging. That's like major. It's got a dropper. Okay. Not sure about the scent. It's got a little bit of a scent. Might be medicine-y kind of, but it says, hold up so you can look at this beautiful packaging. These drops contain high-impact protein enzymes, which are plankton extract and micrococcus lysate, along with vitamin C and niacinamide for around-the-clock protection against sun damage and blue light-free radicals. Okay, add 2 drops to your sunscreen or press and tap lightly into the skin as the final step in your morning routine. Dermy Doc tip. Dr. Ronald May is a world-renowned dermatologist and skin cancer, MOHS, M-O-H-S, in parentheses, surgeon, as well as a vice president of the Skin Cancer Foundation and founder of this brand. These drops are backed by his research in DNA repair enzymes, and it's a revolutionary way to take sun protection to another level. All right. So I'll be glad to try that because I can use all the sun protection I can get with my fair skin complexion. All right. So next in the box says The Science of Melanin Rich Skin Melee. It's a no shade sunscreen oil, SPF 30, broad spectrum. All right, so let's find this on here. It's a no shade sunscreen oil, retails for $19.99. It says this sheer sunscreen oil is non-greasy, lightweight, and fast absorbing. What else does it say? And fast absorbing to provide daily sun protection with zero streaking. For best results, apply this sunscreen 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours when outdoors. The Dermy Doc tip is I often hear complaints about sunscreen leaving a residue. Well, here's an awesome option for you. This sunscreen oil is the perfect way to flaunt a summer glow without the damaging effects of a tan. Fun fact, Melee was co-created with dermatologists of color to ensure quality skincare for melanin-rich skin. So I've never tried a sunscreen oil before, and it says it's available in stores at Target and Target.com. All right. So, all right, we'll be giving that a try. So the next thing in my box by Cots, the Healthier Sunscreen Flawless Complexion Tinted with an SPF of 50, and has vanishing zinc oxide, and it's a mineral sunscreen, and it's for your face. And here we go. This retails for $25. It's a tinted, non-comedogenic mineral sunscreen in a sheer lightweight cream. Comes in a tube here that virtually vanishes on most skin tones, moisturizes to leave a soft, even finish. 20% zinc oxide is a deal for all skin types, even sensitive, rosacea-prone, or breakout-prone skin. Apply a nickel to quarter size amount to the face and neck. Reapply at least every 2 hours when outdoors or after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating. The Dermy Doc tip is COATS, stands for contains only titanium and zinc. This sunscreen is a crowd favorite because it blends well no matter your skin tone and is safe for sensitive skin without causing a white cast. And then they give you a code, DermyDoc20, for 20% off at the cotskincare.com site, valid through October 15th. All right, so this is a nice face sunscreen. And let's see. Okay. So just let me tell you a little bit about Dermy Doc box before we finish up here. So this is a quarterly subscription. If you can get a one-time box for $59.99, and if you subscribe, it's $49.99. But you can cancel at any time or pause the subscription, skip a box, things like that, and that's okay. And let's see. It says on the site it's plus delivery, but I look back and the 2 times I've gotten it, they haven't charged me for shipping. So I don't think they charge you for shipping. I'm not sure why they say that. So this, the Dermy Doc box is curated by Fatima Faz, a MD, a Michigan-based board-certified dermatologist. Dr. Faz runs at Dermy Doctor, an Instagram account dedicated to disseminating accurate skincare education and dispelling beauty myths. As a board-certified dermatologist and skincare expert, she saw the need not only among her own patients, but those on social media to sift through the noise. With so much incorrect information online and ridiculous product claims, Dr. Foss decided it was time to take matters into my own hands or box. Each and every product in a Dermy Doc box is selected because she has personally tried it, loved it, and would recommend it to her own family and patients. It takes the guesswork out of finding quality skincare. Ultimately, her goal is to make people's skincare routine less overwhelming and more efficacious. If you've ever struggled walking down the skincare aisle, Dermy Doc box will remove all the guesswork. Okay, so I just wanted to find that and let you hear that. So the next thing in the box, let's get back to my little thing here, is by Olay Regenerist with an SPF of 30. And this retails for $28.99. And get it open here. All right, so it comes in a bottle like this. That's a pretty bottle. Okay, so let me tell you what they say about it. says mineral sunscreen that provides sheer protection against broad spectrum UVA UVB rays with zinc oxide and gives your skin long-lasting hydration. Crafted with vitamin B3 plus peptides, this formula absorbs quickly and leaves no greasy residue. Apply a nickel to quarter size amount to the face and neck. Reapply at least every 2 hours when outdoors. And the Dermy Doc tip, sunscreen plus more? Yes, please. This sunscreen is suitable for sensitive and acne-prone skin while also working to retain moisture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and protect skin against free radical damage. And that, she shows, that includes B3, peptides, and vitamin E. Okay, so that sounds good. All right. And then there's some vitamins, Inner Glow. And this is a sample pack, hair, skin, and nails formula. And it's a sample size worth $5. This unique combination of vitamins and natural ingredients was scientifically developed by dermatologists to optimize hair growth and skin rejuvenation. These pills are non-GMO, produced in FDA-registered facilities in the USA, drug and hormone-free, and backed by strong clinical research. So take 3 tablets daily to improve hair growth and decrease hair shedding. And the Dermy Doc tip, I knew I had to get this vitamin and a coupon code into this box for you to try because I'm sick of the overpriced and useless hair vitamins, gummies that are flooding social media and are merely overpriced mega doses of biotin. Inner Glow vitamins contain 18 powerful ingredients, including high-quality marine collagen, turmeric, ashwagandha, and saw palmetto. These supplements are the real deal. And then she gives us a coupon code for 20% off with free shipping at innerglowvitamins.com, valid till 10/15, and it's Dermy Doc 20 again. So I was wondering why, because there's 3 tablets in here, but that's like 1 dose. So there's no way to know if this really works, but I guess you can know if you have any kind of sensitivities to it, and that would tell you, no, don't go get the rest of it. So I'm curious to know what the bottles cost. You know what I mean? If you get a whole bottle, I'd have to go onto the website and see. All right. So the last thing in the box. Ooh, getting my little packing peanuts all over the floor. My biodegradable packing peanuts. So when rays do good instead of harm. Okay, so we've got this. So accessories. And this says Sanibel Everyday Beach Shawl UPF 50, and it's $34. Well, that's cool. I have purchased like sunscreen shirts. I did for my grandson, and then I bought a couple when I was going hiking because I knew I was going to be out in the sun for quite a few hours, so they were like long sleeve sunscreen. But this is nice. There went the light on my my mirror that I use for my try-on. But this is nice and soft, and it's a good size. Can you see that? At the ends. Yep, there's no fringes or anything. It's just a straight up shawl that you can like put around your shoulders if you're out on the beach. You can lay it in your lap to protect your legs while you're sitting there. So, and the tags are floating around here. As I say, some protection you wear. All right. So yeah, I have no sun in here, but I just wanted to see how it feels. All right, it kind of smells good. Well, no, must be me. Must be me. So this says the Everyday Beach Shawl. Your favorite travel companion is in the bag. A sun shawl designed to be loosely worn as an accent piece over your shoulders, upper body, or head, but ready to provide a protective UV cover draped over your legs or your little one. So the fabric is cotton, viscose from bamboo, elastane blend. Care instructions: machine wash cold, tumble dry low, And the Dermy Doc tip says sun protection isn't just about sunscreen. Coolabar is one of my favorite sun protective clothing brands, and this shawl is so versatile. I keep it in our beach bag. All UPF 50 plus Coolabar clothing, accessories, and products offer broad spectrum protection that blocks 98% of UVA and UVB rays. Some of my other favorites are their swimwear and driving gloves. And then she gives us a coupon code for the site coolabar.com, same DermyDoc20 to get 20% off. Excellent. All right. So I can keep this if I go to the beach or to the lake or something, which I haven't done in years since I live in a desert. But even being outside in the desert, you know, I definitely need sunscreen. So this was a good box, all sunscreen related for the summer. So a great summer box. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll leave a link below. I'm not sure if it gets you a discount or anything, but it'll get you to the site. And a lot of times when you go to the site, they say, oh, sign up for our email. We'll give you 10% off or whatever on your first box. So I think I did that because my box was like $45 instead of $50 for the first month. So check that out. If you like this video, give it a like. Let me know what you think. Let me know, do you get this box? What do you think of the products in here? And I'll total it up and leave the number down below here so you can see the value of everything in the box, because I do have the prices on here. I just haven't totaled it up yet. All right. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you get notified by YouTube whenever I post a new video. All right. I love you all. Mwah. I will see you in the next one. Bye.